I'm the leader of the service design and delivery team, so I manage a team of engineers and we deliver projects for clients, consultancy-based projects. I also get involved in pre-sales work, so working with the sales department, going out to see clients, understanding their needs and requirements and coming back to the office and sort of scoping solutions for them. Certainly. We worked with a leading gallery who had, well, a three-stage requirement really. The first one was to move to a brand new building. The second one was that they wanted to upgrade their existing infrastructure. And the third one is that they wanted to virtualise their infrastructure. So we worked over a period of about 3 months doing all three of those things. So not only did we put the complete infrastructure in for the new building, including cabling and air conditioning and working with architects to get the comms room exactly the way we wanted it. We also put in new hardware, running a virtualized platform using VMware's ESX technology. And on top of that, we ran Windows 2003 64-bit architecture with Exchange 2007. Once we had the architecture built, we then had to migrate their existing systems from the old location, and that meant migrating obviously Exchange data and company data, mainly over a site-to-site VPN tunnel, and putting in brand new workstations into the new building, migrating user profiles at the same time. All in all, it was a very successful project. Took quite a while and quite a lot of in-depth communication with various people involved, architects and engineers and electricians and everybody else, but very rewarding and went very well. Okay, in this context, an on-site visit for me would be a pre-sales meeting with one of the sales personnel. I would first of all get a requirement from one of the sales personnel to attend a meeting with them. It will normally be either an existing customer or a new customer requiring some sort of infrastructure upgrade or even a new infrastructure entirely, a new server, whatever it may be. We would discuss the requirement initially at the Octavia offices, get sort of a broad idea of what we're going to talk about, and then go and see the client. My role primarily at that meeting is to discuss with the client possible solutions to their requirement, and normally we'll try and lead them with what we've already discussed and decided upon in the Octavia office, but obviously during a meeting certain things may change and we'll discuss in more detail what they want. Hopefully by the end of the meeting both parties have agreed on a solution, and we then come back to the office and write out a proposal for them. The service design and delivery team are responsible for research and development for Octavia. As the team leader for that team, I get quite heavily involved. We've been working for quite some time now on VoIP technology using 3CX. We're all continuously looking at the VMware and ESX products along with the Microsoft products. At the moment, we're concentrating on Windows 7, which is a new Microsoft operating system, desktop operating system. Exchange 2010, which is again the Microsoft's new Exchange platform, and the new Microsoft Office suite, which is taking over from Microsoft Office 2007.